bridge. Oh, trying to put my phone in my pocket. Right. Okay. See how long this battery lasts. Oh, I just saw something, didn't realise it was lit up. Here we go, Vietnamese flag on the end of the building. Texo Tower behind it. The red flag. Oh, I just saw a big water rat down on the riverbank. That building with the banner on it is totally just a skeleton, never got built properly. But they've put that big sign on the end of it. On we go.
Turn right.
Steep stairs. Right, we're going to go across again. We'll see if we can get the traffic in at this time. Right, I'm going to face it towards the traffic. Yep, they get very close to you. There you go, that's how you do it. This is the Saigon Royale. Anesthetic starting to wear off. Alright, and we're on the correct side of the road, so no more road crossing. As you can see, they just ride anywhere they like. So you're not even safe on the footpath. As I said before, at least it's not raining tonight. It's very nice. Very noisy though. American road rules, they drive on the left-hand side of the road,